Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install MetaTrader 5. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for MetaTrader 5. After that, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Simply access the official MetaTrader website and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, click on the download button and the downloading process will get started. Once the download is complete, you can run the setup by locating the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. Now, if you ever decide to uninstall MetaTrader 5, it is also quite simple. First, get to the bottom of your screen and access the search menu. Inside this menu, search for Control Panel. After that, access the Programs and Features tab, where you will see a list of all installed applications. Locate the MetaTrader 5 app inside this list. Once you find it, select it and click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can download and install MetaTrader 5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.